Planking, a popular core strengthening exercise, involves maintaining a position similar to a push-up, with the body held in a straight line from head to heels, supported by the forearms and toes. While it may seem like a simple exercise, planking can yield significant benefits when performed consistently. Let's explore what happens when you plank every day for 1 minute. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 1. Core strength improvement. Planking primarily targets the muscles of the core, including the rectus abdominis, transverse abdominis, obliques, and lower back muscles. By engaging these muscles isometrically to maintain the plank position, you can effectively strengthen your core over time. Consistently planking for 1 minute each day can lead to noticeable improvements in core strength, stability, and endurance. Number 2. Enhanced posture. A strong core is essential for maintaining good posture and spinal alignment. Planking helps strengthen the muscles that support the spine, which can reduce the risk of developing poor posture and related issues such as back pain and discomfort. By incorporating planks into your daily routine, you can promote better posture and alignment, both during exercise and in everyday activities. Number 3. Improved balance and stability. Planking requires you to stabilize your body in a static position, which can improve overall balance and stability. By strengthening the muscles of the core, hips, and shoulders, planking helps enhance proprioception, or the body's awareness of its position in space. This increased stability can translate to improved performance in other activities such as sports, functional movements, and everyday tasks. Number 4. Injury prevention. A strong core is essential for injury prevention as it provides stability and support for the entire body during movement. Weak core muscles can lead to compensatory movement patterns, imbalances, and increased risk of injury, particularly in the lower back and hips. Regular planking can help strengthen the core muscles, reducing the likelihood of injury and improving overall movement mechanics. Number 5. Increased metabolic rate. While planking primarily targets the muscles of the core, it also engages muscles throughout the body, including the legs, arms, and shoulders. This full body activation can help elevate the metabolic rate, leading to increased calorie burn during and after the exercise. While planking alone is unlikely to result in significant weight loss, incorporating it into a well-rounded exercise routine can support overall metabolic health. Number 6. Better athletic performance. A strong core is essential for optimal athletic performance in a wide range of sports and activities. Planking helps improve core strength, stability, and endurance, which are critical for generating power, transferring force between the upper and lower body, and maintain proper form during dynamic movements. Athletes who incorporate planking into their training regimen may experience improved performance and reduced risk of injury. Number 7. Mental benefits. Planking not only strengthens the body but also offers mental benefits. Holding a plank requires mental focus, concentration, and determination as you push through discomfort and fatigue. By practicing mindfulness and resilience during planking, you can develop mental fortitude that extends beyond the exercise itself, helping you cope with challenges and stressors in other areas of life. Number 8. Convenience and accessibility. One of the greatest advantages of planking is its convenience and accessibility. You can perform planks virtually anywhere, with minimal equipment or space required. Whether you're at home, in the gym, or traveling, you can squeeze in a quick plank session to maintain your core strength and overall fitness. This accessibility makes planking an ideal exercise for busy individuals looking to stay active and healthy. Number 9. Versatility and progression. Planking offers a high degree of versatility and progression, allowing individuals to tailor the exercise to their fitness level and goals. Beginners can start with basic plank variations, such as the forearm plank or knee plank, before progressing to more challenging variations, such as the side plank, plank with leg lift, or plank with arm reach. By gradually increasing the duration or difficulty of planks over time, you can continue to challenge your muscles and make progress towards your fitness goals. Number 10. Motivation and accountability. Incorporating planking into your daily routine can provide a sense of accomplishment and accountability. Setting a goal to plank for 1 minute each day can help you stay motivated and committed to your fitness regimen. Whether you track your progress in a workout journal, use a fitness app, or simply rely on your own discipline, the act of consistently planking each day can instill a sense of pride and achievement in your fitness journey. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.